Alright, so the idea when you're solving graphically is to create two different equations. So if I was going to solve this guy graphically, what I would do is I would add 12 to both sides, and then I would graph the left side and the right side and see where they touch. So we could say f of x is the left side, 3 times x minus 5 squared. And the other equation, g of x, is just 12. It's the right side of that. Alright? So if I was going to graph g of x, it would be, looks like these are going by 4. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's g of x. Right there. And we know this guy right here. Alright, so let's look at it. This is 5 to the right. Oh, good. It's right there. And then the very first time I move over, I go up 3. I go up 3 because of that stretch value over here, right? But let's go ahead and plug in a few more points to that. So we've got x and f of x. Looks like it was 5 to the right, which I have right here, and then 6. Let's plug in 7 and see what happens. So if I plug in 7, 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 5, sorry, is 2. 2 squared is 4, times 3 is 12. I'm there. That's where I need to get. So we got 7, 12, which means just below that, probably at, well, if 5 is where we were, at 3, let's try 3. Yep, that's 12 again. So when I plot these points, I'm going to get two solutions. One of those at 7, 12 right there. And one of those is 3, 12. Alright. Graph intersects at 7, 12 and 3, 12. This means f of x equals g of x when x equals 7 and x equals 3. Therefore, the two solutions are 3 and 7. X equals 3 and x equals 7. Alright. There's one more. Let's try one more right here. Alright. If I get this focused a little bit here. Looks pretty good. Alright. So we're going to add 3 to both sides. We get 3 times x minus 2 squared equals 3. So we're going to say f of x is the left side. It's 3 times x minus 2 squared. And g of x is just going to be 3. And let's graph 3. Thankfully, they got a nice scale this time. That's g of x equals 3. And this one moves to right, so 1, 2. And look, the very first time I move over, I go up 3. So I actually don't have to plot any points. I already see my solutions. One of my solutions is 3, 3. The other one is 1, 3. There they are. X equals 1 and x equals 3. Done. Alright. Well, I got a little bit more to go. And that's it. So, we'll talk to you very soon. And we're going to end this one right here.